make the spider for our spider Boogie Woogie work of art. I'm going to start by tracing a small cup to make the circle for the spider's body. I am using a black piece of paper. If you do not have black paper, you're welcome to use white paper, and then you can just color it in black. I am going to draw 2 circles for the eyes of the spider. I'm just using a white colored pencil. You are welcome to make your spider any color you want. I'm going to add some pointy teeth and a mouth for my spider as well. I'm going to take my time and color those in. Now the next step is going to be to maybe add some extra details to our spider. I'm giving my spider some eyelashes and some eyebrows. Your spider might need a mustache or whatever else you might think your spider needs. Maybe he needs a pair of glasses. Go ahead and cut out your spider. Cut right along the line with your scissors. Set the body to the side. Now we are going to use the shorter side of our paper to make the legs for the spider. I'm going to cut 4 very long, skinny rectangles. Just little strips of paper. I'm going to cut 4 long strips of paper. Make sure they are longer than the spider's body. Now I'm going to take these 4 strips of paper and I'm going to glue them onto the back of the spider's body. I'm going to take the spider's body and flip it over, and I'm going to put glue on the back of it. I am then going to take my pieces of paper, my rectangles, and kind of lay them diagonal across the back of the spider, with about the same amount sticking out on either side. Now you might need to go back and add a little bit more glue if the pieces are not sticking. Add extra glue if you need to. Your fingers might get a little messy, but that's okay. You can wash them when you're done. Put 1 more there, and when we're done, it looks like the spider has 8 legs. So 4 pieces of paper to make the 8 legs of the spider. If you want to kind of bend them or twist them or pop them up a little bit, oops, the glue is coming undone. Make sure that glue stays nice and stuck. Okay, go ahead and bend the spider's legs just a little bit so it looks like he's dancing and moving in your picture. Now I'm going to take a popsicle stick. If you don't have a popsicle stick, you could use a pencil or anything else you might find around your house, like a straw, and you are going to attach with a piece of tape the stick to the back of the spider. Now I'm going to take my spider and I'm going to set him to the side. My paper, I'm going to cut a line inside of the middle of it. It's not going to go all the way to the edge of the paper, so I'm going to just fold it along one of the lines, just a little bit, and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip in the middle, just a teeny tiny little bite, just big enough to get my scissors in there. And I'm going to wiggle my scissors into that little spot and I'm going to cut along one of the lines. I do not want to cut all the way to the edge of the paper. Stop before you get to the edge of the paper. Cut just a couple little bits of paper in the middle. That looks pretty good. Now I can put my spider inside of there. You can see the stick on the back and I can make my spider dance. Now you can either take a photograph and upload a picture of your spider, or if you want to record a video of your spider dancing, you are welcome to upload a video as well. Make sure your name is on it, you clean up all your materials, and you are done with your spider Boogie Woogie.